Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail, we are doing a huge PR unboxing haul. And behind me are some of those packages which we have stuff like makeup, skincare, hair care, perfume, like we have a whole bunch of stuff to go through. And I'm so excited to unbox these packages with you guys. I did open some just because I was a little excited, like I couldn't help myself. But let me stop rambling and let's open up these packages together. So the first one we have is Valentino, which inside here is their Born in Roma scent. And can we talk about the packaging? It is so freaking cute. I love me a cute PR box, like it just gets me so excited. And so it came with a full-size bottle and a mini one too. And guys, this scent smells so good. It literally lasts me hours. Like I just love the way that it smells. It has like notes of jasmine and vanilla in it, and just something about this scent just gives luxurious. And like I've never bought any Valentino perfume before, but this one I highly recommend. Like wow, like I'm so blown away by it. Honestly, let me give myself a little spritz. Now I smell good for the rest of the video. But yeah, I really love this one. It lasts me all day. And even though this one's a little pricey, I think it's totally worth your money. Next, we have Monday Hair Care. Again, cute box. This one comes with a deep moisture hair mask with keratin for dry and damaged hair. And then it also comes with Monday Hair Care stickers, which is so cute. And then here's the little note card that talks about the product just a little bit. And then there's a Monday Hair Care comb, which I love that. So cute. I definitely need to try a hair mask since I've never really done that before, but somehow I'll add that to my routine. But my favorite thing about this is the stickers. Like I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I just think they're so cute. And then more hair care products. I have some products from The Way. I have their medium hair shampoo and conditioner, and then I also have their anti-frizz cream. I feel like has made such a difference in my hair because I feel like my hair is so frizzy and sometimes it can be really hard to tame, so I love using this, especially when I straighten my hair. And then I just love all their products. Like they smell so good, especially their hair and body mist. Ugh. Like it literally transports me onto the islands. Like it just smells so freaking good. So I'm excited to try these two together on top of the anti-frizz cream. Okay, next up is YSL. It is a whole bunch of lip products considering that this is a lip shaped box. And inside are 6 different lipstick shades. I'm gonna take the shade Brown Nude just to show you guys the packaging a little bit more. It's like this really pretty like rose gold reflective type of look. And of course it says YSL. And then this is what the Brown Nude looks like. But yeah, super cute. I love that it's a lip shade package for their different lip shades, so I'm so excited to try these out. Next up we have something from L'Oreal Paris. This feels really heavy, so I'm gonna assume it's hair care. Okay, love the custom wrapping paper. We have their glycolic plus gloss hair care line, and of course we love that everything is pink. So we have their glycolic plus gloss shine boosting shampoo and conditioner, and then it also comes with their high shine leave-in serum. I have seen a few TikToks on this, especially with the leave-in serum. It makes your hair so shiny, so glossy, so I'm excited to try these. And then Skylar Clean Beauty sent me their nude skin scent, and if you're looking for something really unique, this is the one for you. It has notes of tiger orchid, warm vanilla, and golden amber, and something about this scent is very refreshing and again just very unique because I feel like I've never smelled anything like this before. And I also really love the bottle. It has the tiger orchid in the back, and I was so excited to get this, especially since I've been really trying to grow my perfume and fragrance collection, and this is my first Skylar Clean Beauty bottle. I do want to try their other scents, especially their Boardwalk Delight scent, but I will be definitely using this one on the daily. Okay, next up we have Urban Skin RX. I really love their cleansing bar. I feel like that helps like my acne and acne scars, and that is exactly what they sent me. It is their Even Tone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatment. It comes with a little sponge, and yeah, I just feel like this really made a difference, especially with my old acne scars. And then it also came with a acne serum plus spot treatment, which I've never tried this before, so hopefully it works whenever I have a pimple. I have more like closed comedone type of acne. I don't really get like white or redheads, but I feel like that would be perfect for that. But I'm happy I got a restock on my cleansing bar. And then we have this box, which this is from Connie. They sent me 2 of their lip butter balms and then also a lip oil. This is a upcoming small business, so I'm excited to try their lip butter balms. They sent me their cherry and brown sugar scent, so let's go ahead and try those. I also wonder if these are pigmented, so let's open up the cherry one first. And this is what the cherry one looks like. Looks like it has a lot of pigment to it, so okay. And then let's go ahead and do brown sugar, and this one is also pigmented, and also the brown sugar one actually smells really good. For cherry, I'm not much of a cherry person, so I'm not going to judge it too much, but the brown sugar, that one smells really good. And then let's see what this lip oil is about. They gave us the scent mint, and it actually turns out that it is a little bit of a plumper, but this is what their lip oil looks like. Very cute packaging actually, and I want to see if it smells like mint. Oh, that's strong. It most definitely does smell like mint, but super cute. I'm really excited to wear the brown sugar one, especially since it's fall right now. And if you want to try a new brand, or if you just want to support a small business, then go ahead and check them out, especially on TikTok, and let them know that you came from this video. I also got some dresses from Mayo. I literally love Mayo. They are my favorite clothing brand of all time, and so I got a couple of dresses from them. The first one is this really pretty butter yellow dress. The material is so smooth and it fits me so perfectly. It is a tube dress, but it also has this really pretty slit to it. I absolutely love this dress and I hope that they make more colors of it. Next, we have this really gorgeous beaded dress that they have, and just look at the way that it sparkles. Like, I just love it. It is so pretty. I think it's one of their most beautiful and unique dresses that they have. I absolutely love the flower detailing to it with the beads, and I love this shade of pink. And again, this dress also fits me really well too. And if you guys want to see what the dresses look like on, you can check my recent fashion videos. I tried them on there. And then lastly, I got this really pretty tube ivory dress. I also love the way this looks. It's very elegant, very classy. Love the color because ivory is one of my favorite colors. This is also a tube maxi dress, and yeah, love this one so much. Okay, next up we have Purlisse, and they sent me a couple of items. First, we have their Blush Glow BB Cheek color. Cute little pink bottle. And then we also have another one, and this one's in the shade Cool Mauve. Then we have a vitamin C CC cream sunscreen, which everyone needs a good sunscreen. Then we have a watermelon energizing aqua bomb, cute packaging with a little watermelon on it. And then last but not least, they have a Blush Glow BB Cheek plus Lip cream blush and lip color, and this is in the shade Nude Sugar. I'm actually really excited to try their vitamin C cream sunscreen. Has benefits of improving skin complexion, hydrating the skin, helps with dark spots, dullness, and other aging stuff, because I've been meaning to find a really good vitamin C serum, so I'm excited to try this one. And also a cheek and lip product. I really love that. Like, I'm probably gonna have this in my purse when I'm on the go, so excited to try that. And then I want to share all of the Orabella fragrances I've received. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you know how much I love Orabella. So let's go over the scents that we have. Okay, so the first scent we have is Nightcap, which is a very warm and spicy gourmand. It has notes of vanilla, sandalwood, and patchouli. And what I love about Orabella scents is that they're alcohol free, and so when you spray them on yourself, you could rub them in and it's like a nice oil to give yourself that nice body glow. And with Nightcap, you could really smell that vanilla coming through, and it was one of the first scents that they sent to me, and I just love it so much. This is like my #1 scent from them. If not, it's their newest scent, which their newest scent is Eternal Roots. This one has notes of lychee, bergamot, and pink pepper, and with this one it's like woody, fruity, but it's kind of sweet. And once the scent sets on your skin, like, you can really smell the lychee coming through. They also sent it to me in a travel size too. And then they also sent me Blooming Fire, which this one is a really good floral scent. It has notes of jasmine, bergamot, cedarwood, and patchouli, and this one I used a lot during spring. Like, I feel like this is such like the perfect floral springy scent, and out of everything I just feel like that jasmine really comes out of this scent. So if you're looking for a good floral scent, this is the perfect one. And then I also have Window to Soul, which this one to me is more of a lighter floral scent. This one has notes of lemon, jasmine, rose, mint, and tonka bean, and it's a pretty scent, but if I wanted something more floral, I would more than likely go with the Blooming Fire more. But I love that it's a very unique scent, but since it is a light floral, this is a good one to like layer with other floral scents, so this is a fun one to play around with. And then the last scent I have is Salted Muse, which I only have the travel size of this one. I also have the travel size case too, which Salted Muse is a very woody scent. It has notes of sea salt, pink pepper, olive tree accord, cedarwood, sandalwood, and just very woodsy. I feel like this one could be very unisex, especially since again it's a very woody scent. And I feel like with this scent it's perfect for winter time. Like, I'm in the snow, I'm driving up to the cabin, like this is what this scent reminds me of. But yeah, out of all of the Orabella scents, Nightcap and Eternal Roots are my favorite. Okay, next up we have the Origins, which this one was a very cute Valentine's Day themed PR box. It's supposed to be like a box of chocolates, but it is their skincare. So we have their refining apple peel, their peptide plumping apple cream, and then custom candy hearts. And with their skincare, they're all about like the apple, and everything is sourced from 100% upcycled apples. And also just the scent of it is so interesting to me. Like, I just love smelling their products. If anything, I need the peptide plumping apple cream because my skin has kind of been dehydrated. I need that little plump. But yeah, I love the packaging. I love that it looks like a box of chocolates. I think it's so freaking cute. And then next up we have E.L.F. This is for their thirst bursting drops, but they did throw in a few extra goodies. So first is the Thirst Burst Drops, which makes your skin dewy and helps with brightening your skin. And then next up we have their Holy Hydration Face Cream. It's infused with niacinamides plus hyaluronic acid, so this definitely helps with keeping your skin hydrated. And then the last thing is a makeup melting cleansing balm, which this helps melt away your makeup while removing impurities and cleanses your skin. I've never tried E.L.F. skincare before, but I've most definitely tried their makeup and I love their makeup. Probably one of the best drugstore makeups out there. Again, my skin has been very dehydrated, so I'm excited to try these products too. Next up we have 2 boxes from Aura Makeup. They are a brand from Mexico. So first I'm going to open up the big package first. And first we have all of these papers, which all of these show the products that are in here. So first up we have their Solid Lip Serum and then their Intensifying Eye Pencil in the shade Azul. But I'm actually really curious about this lip serum. It says it's in the color Rosa. I don't know if you can really see on camera, but it's like a really pretty like baby carnation pink. So I can't wait to wear this. And we might as well open up the eye pencil too. And then let's see how blue this is. That is a really pretty blue. It's not like your primary blue, it's like a little bit more lighter than that. It's really pretty, so I can't wait to do a few different looks with this. And then we also have a eyeshadow palette, which I believe I saw this one online, that it's a very unique shape. And then this is what it looks like. Let's open her up. Ooh, it has a whole bunch of different colors to it. I love that there is a variety of color, and I also like that there's different shapes too. This is like a super fun and unique palette. I can't wait to do a few different looks with this, especially with that green shade. I just love the way that this looks. Very pretty shimmer. And now let's open up their other box. And in this one we have another solid lip serum, and this one says it's a spicy formula in the shade Rojo. So let's see what she looks like. And oh yeah, this is a very like rich red. This is such a good red for the perfect red lip. I don't know if red lips look good on me. I feel like when I've tried it in the past, I just didn't like how it turned out. But maybe with a little bit of practice, who knows, maybe I'll look good with red lips. So thank you Aura Makeup for all the fun goodies. Okay, and this next one is Kylie Cosmetics. I have already opened this one because I just couldn't help myself. Like, I got a package from King Kylie. So this comes with a whole bunch of goodies, which my favorite being their plumping lip liner. I love this one, especially in the shade Pecan. Like, it literally makes my lips look so full. I've had my friends literally ask me if I got lip filler, and I've literally never gotten lip filler, but this literally makes you look like you have filler. Like the way that it plumps your lips, love it. But there is an eyeshadow palette, there is her lip glaze lip gloss, and then this is I think a little travel case that comes with a little mirror. Then we also have another plumping lip liner, which this one is in the shade Lure, and then we have one of her lip oils in the shade Pomegranate Grenade. We also have her powder blush stick in the shade Make Him Blush, and then we have another powder blush stick in the shade Never Too Much. We also have a plumping powder matte lip in the shade Craving Cherry. And then of course 2 iconic lip kits. One is in the shade Kylie and the other 20. And then we also have a travel size of her Cosmic Perfume. And then last but not least, we have Kylie's Vanilla Body Lotion, which I love anything vanilla. So we most definitely have to smell this right now. And also let me not forget her mascara. I actually use this all the time. It's in my drawer, that's why it's not in the box. So love her mascara. But anyways, back to the lotion. It feels like a mix between vanilla and coconut. Honestly, I'm gonna put some on myself because my hands feel a little bit dry. But yeah, now that I'm smelling it more, I really like it. Again, I am just a sucker for vanilla. I cannot help it. But yeah, ever since I got this package, I have just been loving Kylie Cosmetics. I think they are so freaking good. Again, especially their lip liners, like their tea. And then next up we have Gisou, which this one I have already opened because I could not believe I got a package from Gisou, but I wanted to show you guys the packaging anyway because look at this. Like, this is gorgeous. But it did come with 3 of their lip oils, and I have the 3 lip oils right here. We have Glazed Plum, Raspberry Swirl, and Bellini Peach. And honestly, my favorite out of the 3 is the raspberry one, and I just love the slight shimmer that it has. And also you can smell the raspberry in the lip oil, and I feel like they're pretty hydrating. I use them from time to time. I feel like I just have so many of their lip products that I just bounce around which one I want to use. But I love Gisou. I love their packaging. I love their brand. Just everything about Gisou I literally love. And then last but not least, we have Dermalogica, which when I got this in the mail, I was shocked because I did not know I was on Dermalogica's PR list, but they literally sent me their skincare products. Like, look at this packaging. Like, I love that it feels like a book. Like, it explains the products, it tells you each step of how to use each products, like Dermalogica. But they have their pre-cleanse, which clears all of your makeup off. They also have their rice-based powder exfoliant, which online I've seen is very, very popular. Then there is their pro collagen banking serum. Then there is their brightening vitamin C eye serum. And then to complete the routine, there is their skin smoothing cream. And on top of all of that, they came with a cute little headband to wash your face, which I literally love the headband. I think it's such a cute shade of green, but literally my skin is screaming like I need to use all these products immediately. But yeah, super cute. Really love the packaging, so thank you Dermalogica. And so that is the end of our huge unboxing haul. Thank you to all the brands that have sent me all their products. I feel so blessed that I'm able to do this and be able to create fun videos for you guys. And thank you to you guys, because I couldn't have done it without you guys too. I am just feeling so thankful and blessed, honestly. Like, there's nothing more I could say other than I just feel so happy right now. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and let me know in the comments below if you would like more unboxing content. I would also love to share like my journey as a content creator, and if you guys want to learn how to do it too, I'm more than happy to share some tips. I mostly share a lot of my content stuff on Instagram and TikTok, so go ahead and follow me on there. I feel like content creation has brought me so many opportunities, and I feel like my biggest regret is just like not starting sooner. I just can't believe this is what I've always wanted to do and I'm finally like living my dream. So if you're looking for a sign to start, this is your sign. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.